How to make good choices. I think you need to be very down to earth about the way society is. Don't be a perfectionist, because never going to work. Don't be an idealist, that's going to fail you. You have to be very grounded, very pragmatic. Find a way that you can fulfill your highest ideals within practical limits so that you can make whatever compromises are inevitable and essential. Always try to protect yourself from cowardice. There's a difference between being cowardly and being intelligent. Because if you just stand in front of a bullet like a target, what's the point? You need to get where you need to go. You have to be careful because you have to do in such a way that you can actually succeed. This is NERDSPEAK. I am happy to help.